spring's array, when I see blooms of colors gay, in gardens and in meadows play, and hear on every side the lay of birdlets singing sweet always. I will with elegance fashion a song perchance, pleasing to lovers all the day, and to my lady most of all, who gives me skill to sing and call. Well, should lovers with good heart serve love with all their art, for love is not a sin to shun. It's virtue that the wicked one makes good, and makes the good more fun. It sets a man in the way to do good every day, and from love chastity has its start. For he who in love rightly stands cannot do what evil then demands. Love has such worth, I say, ladies in whom beauty holds sway do great folly if they love not the worthy. Once they see what's what, and know it in them, come what may. For then joy would please them so, in courtesy and song's bright show, and all fair solace, yet they'll stay hardly so wise, I fear and deem, if love does not push them upstream. Love of you I make my praise, for you make me love the one all praise, whereby I am lifted so high, that even the dying is honor's cry, so noble is her worth always. And if I had joy thereby, I know I would not die, but live well pleased in gentle ways. If I have it not, I'll perish soon, for I love her so, my heart does swoon. The fresh color of you, fair one whom I adore so true, and the gray eyes and the brows delicate, of natural splendor shining through. Every man loses all his ire who beholds you, sweet desire. And I, alas, whom it pleases to view, die when I see your form so fine, of envy, so it does confine. Would sink and fall away if it were not kept on its way by the honored Castilian king, who does all his deeds so gracefully, that nothing need one teach him